दिस इज श्री राम, हम फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश। मैं यहाँ 3 दिन का आइसक्रीम ट्रेनिंग लेने के लिए आया हूँ। आई फेल्ट दिस ट्रेनिंग इज टू बी सो गुड एंड आई like this at starting I had some doubts that it would be beginner friendly and how much will they teach us, but somehow I found that it is a beginner friendly course without even any knowledge in the ice cream industry, or you've no prior knowledge into this, or like you've never made an ice cream, just tasted and all. You can come to this training and get all the basic stuff. From there to the advanced stuff, so after this training I'm sure that you'll be the one who knows how to make an ice cream. Not just an ice cream, a frozen dessert, ice lolly, and a kulfi. Even in addition to that, just not making it, you'll know the formulation of it, like how to develop the formulation, what should be the required, and the standardized quantity of the raw materials which should be used as per FSSAI and the regulations. You'll be covered in every aspect in ice cream making, and the aspects which are very important and somehow they are neglected within our in Indian market. They are very well covered by the very experienced teaching staff here. And I would like to thank the engineer brothers just for starting this and making people letting people understand the importance of maintaining the quality of a product. And in the same way, the mission in educating the people in making the ice cream and making India a better society, in developing all the food products and a good place in making FMCG products is very much appreciated. And even though, like, for the people who are coming from different parts of India, in the whole batch of 50 people, you get to see the people are from many places, and without any language barriers, you'll be able to communicate, you'll be able to understand everything. So you don't keep any inhibitions in your heart that that if you might understand or not. But surely I recommend you to take this course so that you'll be able to make ice creams in future and make your customers taste it, and you get a better product out of it. And I would like to take a minute of you to thank like Sandeep sir and Mukesh sir for being there for the students and like conducting Q&A sessions after every day, and that helped us a lot. And sure, you'll be getting some support even after our courses. So this is the one-stop solution whoever are dealing with ice creams and whoever want to come into the ice cream industry. And thanks for all my batchmates. They've been friendly, and we could be able to create a positive environment here, and it helped a lot. Thanks everyone. Thank you.